Hi, my name is Haley Carlson, and here is my external and internal communication chart for USD 383 Manhattan Ogden School District. This chart was designed to demonstrate the different internal and external communications used to stay connected and engaged with all USD 383 stakeholders. The left side shows the internal public, or those who are within the organization, and the right side shows the external public groups, or those that are outside of the organization. The arrows or lines between and around these groups show who interacts most and the forms of communication that they use. This type of flowchart was used for the ease and clarity of seeing each group and how they interact. This chart started with the division of external and internal public groups. Separating them side by side made the most sense. Then, listing the forms of communication for each group. The last part was deciding which publics communicated the most, and the hardest part was creating straight lines between the groups. I define the internal public as those members who are involved inside the school setting on a day-to-day basis and have direct, clear roles within a building. The external public was defined as groups who have a big part in the school or the district but aren't involved on the inside work of day to day. Placing parents as a group was challenging because they may not step into the building every single day, but they are still vital. However, physically, they are external, so I placed them in the external public. Administrators and faculty are strong points of communication because they are in the middle of the chart and have to stay connected with all of the groups around them. They really hold all of the internal groups together as well as the external groups together. Our school board relies heavily on administrators and staff to communicate information, which could be seen as a weakness, and groups sometimes wait to be contacted from the community, like businesses and community members, instead of initiating that contact. These aspects could be weaknesses that should be improved using stronger communication and connection. The chart overall is plain, but adding graphics seemed to make it overwhelming to view and understand. Although there's not a lot of two-way communication between internal and external, the communication and connection between all of the groups ensures that students can be successful because of the wide variety of connection within the community. Thank you for watching.